So prime economic zone, and we are going to see how great this place is. And for free, I'm going to show you some of the factories that I passed by. Like now, Matera Rwanda farm is 2 kilometers ahead. The best mattress, they say, in Rwanda. You have your opinion. I said I'm going to be making free adverts. Another free advert. There is a factory called Chronicles. They make steel products. Yeah, may you visit them. And Pedro's coffee is here as well. So you come to buy some of the things in free zone, you will get coffee. Worry not. So, prime economic zone, Kigali special economic zone phase 1. So we are heading to the east gate. We're from west gate, I think. Now we are heading to east gate, and any factory that is not going to benefit from this ride, I'm sorry of you. I'm sorry for you rather. Until another time, stay here to enjoy the adventure with me, no worries. I can see B-box here. And if you are a fan of biscuit, we are going to end our ride at the Azam. So stay here to see Azam Industries. I also think they have energy drink for some people who likes energy drinks. Not me though. Chris is having this best of his time. Best of his time. Best of his time. Best of his time. The free zone has grown. It's been a while when I was there. Free zone, free zone, free zone. So we are heading toward east, and also somewhere some here. It's Carnegie Mellon University. I don't seem to see it, but it's around there. We're going to have an up here experience soon, and there's another free advert of these motorcycles. Kuga, I think, I don't know how they're called. King Lion motorcycles. So try them and see if they can deliver. Yep. Yep. In front of me is Chris, and in front of me, and in front of me also is a great team of people who are jogging, who are having best of their times, just jogging, running the heights of Kigali city. So on the left, that's where they are building BioNTech Rwanda. That will be manufacturing vaccines and other therapies, medications, and anything that goes with healthcare. So this is the facility for it. On the left, that's where they're building such a great facility. We're looking forward to embracing in the city of Kigali. So we'll be manufacturing vaccines, some of the medications. I hope now, as a breast cancer advocate, in the near future we'll be having made in Rwanda medications. I mean vaccines and medication for breast cancer that has been growing in the country. Here. This is the logo of Carnegie Mellon University. So that's the logo, and then the university is up there. You can see the man there. That's Carnegie Mellon, and then meet Chris. So as we are exiting now the free zone, the last last factory to pass will be ALU Industries, and it produces everything in cereals and that's like bread, juices, energy drink, so many other things. And as we get closer, soon we'll be hitting the road to a place called Bumbogo. It will be my first time. Other places here I used to pass through, but this new one now will be just more of exploring, because I haven't visited it either. So that'll be a great experience with Greece, and stay here to enjoy the experience with us. The other phonics. We are exiting the free zone. It was a great experience. Better. Exiting the free zone. And up will be heading to Bumbogo, and down heads to Kiminong. So thank you for touring the free zone with us. So we are done. The happy experience, it was a great one. So the free zone is where the Carnegie Mellon is, and also up here we're going to see our way that goes to African Leadership University. Thank you for watching to the end. I hope you stay hydrated, and see you on the next episode. And remember to hydrate again. Thank you.